Hey folks, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself-Dad channel. Has this ever happened to you? You piled up a bunch of important stuff in the garage, a few minutes later you forgot it was there, and then you backed it over with your van? Today we're going to solve that problem for you. We found the easiest backup camera you could possibly install. There's no wires, no fuss. You can do this in 5 minutes. So give me a great big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and let me know down in the comments what kind of stuff you've accidentally backed over with your car. So today we're going to be installing the AutoVox Solar Wireless Digital Reversing System. And what this is, it's a backup camera, and if you've been on the channel for a while, we had another backup camera. We installed the cheapest backup camera you could buy on Amazon. I've got a link for that in the description below. This is a different kind of setup. This is really going to be the easiest one that you can install on Amazon because there's really no wiring to do. We have a monitor here. This goes up on your dash, and it's got a little wire that just plugs straight into your cigarette lighter to get power. And then this is the camera system. The camera's here, and there's a battery down here, and you'll notice on the top of this there's a solar panel. This thing is charged by the sun, so you don't have to hook this into anything. Now when we got it, I was wondering how this thing turned on and off, and underneath this there's a little dash button here you can push that you can put on your dash to turn it on and off, or you can push any one of the buttons on the side of the monitor here, and that will also turn on your reverse camera. So let's get this thing installed. And here to show you how easy to install this is going to be, we have Kaylee right here.
From the Kaylee's Kitchen Cooking channel.
Go check out her channel, show her some love, hit that subscribe button. She's going to show you how to take off the license plate here and put on the rest of this camera. So we're going to start by unbolting the license plate and then reinstall the license plate with the camera bracket behind it. So the next thing to do is go into this little box that it came with. This has all the other parts you're going to need to mount your monitor. And also that's not in that box is the little button and a little antenna for the monitor. So it does come with a USB charger there, and that is in case your car is not in the sun, you can still charge up the battery inside the license plate. That right there, the piece she just pulled out, that is the cigarette lighter adapter for your car. And this guy right here, that's the suction cup mount to mount the monitor to your dashboard or to your window. So now let's hop inside the car and let's get the rest of this thing set up so we can play around with it. So now I've got my daughter as the camera woman. So now we're going to mount the monitor, and I'm going to pick a place right here next to the A-pillar of the car so it'll be easy to get to if we do need to hit those buttons on the side. And it mounts real easy, it just sticks to the glass. And we've got the power cable here, so now we're going to decide how we're going to route the power cable underneath the dash. So the little wire coming off your monitor is this guy, and you've got your cigarette lighter here. So you're going to connect the two together, and then you're going to route your wire underneath your dashboard over to your cigarette lighter socket. And don't forget this little guy. This is the antenna. Without that, this thing is not going to work. So make sure you thread that in right there to the top of your monitor, and that's in place. So now let's go back to the back of the car and set up the camera. To power up the license plate, you're going to come back to the license plate. There's this little waterproof cover. We already loosened that up. And you're going to go inside there and you'll see a little button. You push that little button right here. And then an indicator light here will turn on. And that indicates that everything is working. So now you can come back up to the front of the car and either push one of these buttons or that little button that you mounted somewhere inside the car to turn on the camera. Wave to the camera. Now a nice feature with this little dot is you can put it anywhere. We put it right here next to the shifter, but you can really put it anywhere inside the car. You can put it on your steering wheel, you can put it in the center console, wherever you want. When you push that, it activates your rear view camera and you can see what you're backing up towards. And now you know exactly what you're backing up into as you back it over. So if this video helped you out at all, give me a great big thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching.